these are the two large motor which moves forward and backward, and this is the medium motor which steers the wheel, and this is the remote. So this brick and this brick both are connected by Bluetooth. So whenever I push this button, it will move forward. Whenever I push the down button, it will come backward. Whenever I push this right button, it will steer right side, and whenever I push left button, it will steer left side. And I have also programmed it in one more way, in which when I push both the touch sensor, this will move forward. When I release both the touch sensor, it will stop. When I push right touch sensor, it will steer right side, and when I push left touch sensor, it will steer left side. So let's see how it works. So this was the working from the brake buttons. Now I'll show you how it works from the touch sensor. Thank you.